Somebody asked just about trying to get into a Kona when the battery goes dead in, say, something like the key fob, so you can't access it. So when the battery's dead, basically you can't open the car. Anyway, it's something that requires one of the keys that comes with the car. Basically, you'll have one of these, and that'll allow you actually to get into the car. It gets a little bit awkward here. So what you got to do is open this back. And once you open that back, then it's probably a little bit hard to see, but you should have a little rectangular section that's in there. You can push in. So hard to see in the camera, but a small little black rectangular section in through there. And then this key is just going to sit into that section. And when you push in, and all you do then is just put pressure on that. Or actually, for some people, it might be a little bit easier just with a screwdriver. You seem to get further in and it pops off, so it's a bit easier that way. Anyway, the idea is that's going to expose a key lock, and then you can turn that. And it allows you to open and close that. One other thing then is if the battery's gone dead in this, you need to open up that. So really what you want to do, small little screwdriver, twist that in a kind of clockwise or anti-clockwise fashion. Oops.
Why is it not working, Brian?
Because I'm stupid. Okay, let's try that again with a bigger screwdriver that sits in. There you go. Pops open. Actually, it's a lot bigger of a battery than normal, so the battery's there. Push it out. What is that? 2450 CR2450 battery. That pops out. Takes a bit of a squeeze to get it out, and then new one of them that goes back in, obviously. And just close it back over till you hear a bit of a click. And that's it, it's back functioning. So anyway, that's how that works. Hopefully that's going to help somebody if they're having trouble getting into their car because they have a dead battery on the key. Thanks for watching.